This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So, introduction of TS4U. TS4U is a Michigan State approved IT training provider. So we are heavily regulated by the state, and we have our partners who actually funds our student in a short-term and long-term basis. We run the bootcamp. These bootcamps are actually the project-centric and truly transformative. What does it mean? We only provide bootcamp, that is, we only can show the hands-on and practical. We do not run any fairy tale story in our bootcamp. Means we build our own application, our services end to end. And through the bootcamp, we actually teach you, coach you, mentor you, and we prepare you for the job. So that's the TS4U IT Bootcamp. Some of the benefits you'll be learning in the next video.